First topic of Unit 1 is spectrum of light. In this, light is supposed to have a dual nature, that is corpuscular nature and also the waveform. In this, a beam of light has an electromagnetic waveform and it has a photon of energy propagated at 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second at the speed of light. It is the term electromagnetic is a precise description of radiation. In this, it is made up of electrical and also the magnetic wave. It has two natures, that is electric wave and also the magnetic wave. And the magnitude of electrical vector is denoted by E, and the magnetic vector, which can be denoted by H. In this, the distance along the direction of the proportion in one complete cycle named as wavelength. And the wavelength can be denoted, wavelength may be measured in the terms of centimeters or micrometers or angstroms. And the continuation of that is sometimes the frequency can be used rather than the wavelength, and frequency nu is equal to c by lambda, whereas c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. Whereas sometimes the radiation can be characterized in the another form, that is wave number, which can be denoted by the nu 1 by lambda. Next, the energy E of a photon can be related to its wavelength. E is equal to h nu, whereas E is equal to h into c by lambda, hc by lambda, whereas nu is equal to c by lambda. This is the spectrum of light. First, again, we will discuss about the spectrum of light. Light is suspected to have two natures, that is corpuscular and waveform, and the light have electromagnetic waveform, and the photon of energy is propagated into 3 into 10 to the power of meters per second at speed of light. The term electromagnetic tells that it contains both the electrical form and also the magnetic form, whereas the magnitude of the electrical E can be denoted as E, whereas magnetic vector can be denoted as H. Whereas sometimes the term frequency is used rather than the wavelength and describes the particular